If you're starting a small business in 2026, getting found on Google should be one of your top priorities. It doesn't matter if you're a contractor, realtor, cleaning company, attorney, or other service-based business. If people can't find you when they search for your services, you're already losing leads to competitors. Ryan here from Accelerate Marketing, and today I'm going to walk you through how to start a small business using Google Business Profile and local service ads as your foundation for getting more visibility, more trust, and more customers. If you want to see how your business is showing up on Google, text Audit to 619-304-5155, and my team will provide a free audit to help you understand where your biggest opportunities are. Why should every business start with a Google Business Profile? You guys have seen a lot of my videos, hopefully, and one of the things that I've talked about is Google Business Profile. The reason why is because it is your foundation. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. It's like the yellow pages for every business. Every business gets one. It does help your business appear on what's called Google Maps. So there's, the section because it's got the little map above it. And that is the organic, the local organic section, because you can't pay to show up there. And typically you only see about 2 or 3 businesses in that section. And it shows up on mobile, it shows up on desktop or laptop. A lot of people equate showing up on Google Business Profile with organic. Some people, vehemently stay away from anything that's sponsored, pay-per-click, local service ads sometimes. And they'll just show up down there in the Google Business Profile section, or they'll look at the businesses that show up down there and they'll call them because they know that they've earned it, so to speak. Well, little do they know that you earn it in both sections. I would almost say that you earn it even more in the local service ad section because Google's actually listening to every single phone call that comes in the local service ad section. They're not listening to the phone calls in Google Business Profile. They didn't set it up that way in the beginning. So it goes Google local service ads, Google pay-per-click, Google Maps, and then organic websites. If people see you in the local service ad section and then they see you in the Google Business Profile section, we see a big bump in lead volume for those businesses. How do you set up your Google Business Profile the right way? So you really want to make sure that you get the correct business category. You want to add the correct services. You want to upload photos. I've talked about this in a lot of other videos, but you want to set up your business with a really good description. You want to create FAQs. It would be great to upload, create posts, upload photos yourself and get user-generated content, get reviews. The more user-generated content you can get, the better, because that's going to help you rank higher. And it really will magnify any other pay-per-click or pay-per-lead strategy that you're leveraging, because you're going to show up in that organic section on the map where people think, oh my gosh, this is a local business. They're on the map. I can see my city. They're local. So that really helps a lot. When should a small business consider local service ads? There's really no reason, in my opinion, that any business would not at least get approved for local service ads. If you want to get more leads faster and build a long-term asset, because this is really what a lot of people will talk about. I mean, it's almost sellable separate from your business, your local service ad page and your Google Business Profile page. I mean, it's an asset because you have a consistent stream of pre-qualified, pre-sold leads that are calling your business. It's the lifeblood of any business. If that doesn't go to the next owner, then they're not going to be able to get the results that you get. Full stop. So I would set up local service ads because it complements your Google Business Profile page. And those reviews are shared between the Google Business Profile page and the local service ad. Why would you not? And you get the option of, if you're not getting as many leads from Google Business, or maybe your pay-per-click or anywhere else that you're getting leads, just turn it up a little bit. And typically the local service ads leads are half the cost of any other lead type anyway. Why are reviews important when you're just starting out? It's going to build trust, improve credibility, and make new customers more comfortable with choosing your business. Typically about 20 reviews is the minimum number of reviews that people want to see. But reviews are what people use to determine whether or not they're going to pick the phone up. It's the bottom line, especially for new businesses. I typically tell a business owner that you want to have at least 5 reviews. The goal is to get 20, because that's really how many reviews people need to make a decision. But again, yeah, it helps the credibility, it helps with trust, and it will help with conversion rate. How can contractors, realtors, and service businesses use GBP and LSAs together? So you want to set up that LSA page no matter what. And then naturally, you're going to show up in the local service ad section, and you're also going to show up in the Google Business Profile section. You're going to show up in both. And what people are going to do is they're going to go, okay, this business is in both sections. So you're going to get really high intent paid leads, people that are looking at the top of Google, and they're going to find you in that LSA section and in that Google Business Profile section. And you're going to get more leads and you're going to have more authority because you're actually showing up in both. What mistakes should new small businesses avoid? So one of the things that I see a lot of business owners doing is they're using the wrong categories, they're ignoring reviews, they're not answering calls, they have incomplete profiles. I mean, they don't post to their Google Business Profile page, all the things that I've talked about before. And you'll see, Google will tell you % complete, when you're filling out your Google Business Profile page. So you'll know. If you're starting a small business and want to build a stronger presence on Google, text Audit to 619-304-5155 right now for a free audit from our team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more small business marketing strategies.